Maria here, wig coach, wig educator, and owner of Tia Maria Wigs. And I have a sort of like look to a style that isn't necessarily a brand new release, but one that I think you'll still love. And I want to kind of remind you of a great style that you may have never really tried before, or you got lost in the mix or what have you. So I'm not sure what I should call this series. If you have an idea, let me know down below, because I want to call it a series because I have a bunch to do. I don't want to say maybe like a wig reminder, or I'm not really sure, but we'll figure out a name for it. At any rate, this one is really interesting because this is a great style, a wonderful style from Estetica. And I would have sworn I have done a like full-length standalone video on this style, but I don't think I did. So that's crazy. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the style, remind you of like why you might love it. If you haven't tried it, why you should try it. And then I'm going to use one of the Estetica products on it. So it's kind of going to be a 2-for-1. Like, let's look at this style. And then also, hey, this is how you use this product. This particular style is perfect for this product. So that's what I want to do. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get to it. Okay. The style that we're looking at today is going to be the Mellow by Estetica. Now, this is my particular wig. This isn't like a new one right out of the box. And I wanted to do that purposely because I feel like a lot of times for wig reviews, first impressions, all that kind of stuff, they're straight out of the box. That's what you guys want to see primarily because, when you're ordering it, you want to know what to expect. But this particular wig, I want to show you how to like zhuzh it up a little bit, how to use product on it. And I think it's a lot easier if it's been a little bit worn, so you can kind of also see how it's going to wear. So this is not a new one, but this is Estetica's Mellow, and she's in the color R4/6, okay? And she is, I wouldn't even go into this, but again, I can't believe I've done like a short video on it to show like a color, but I've never actually done a video. Hand-tied lace front, lace part. She does have the bendable ear tabs. We have the hooky do straps, extended nape. This is a non-heat safe. Estetica only has 4 so far when I'm filming this, only 4 heat safe styles. So this is what she looks like. This is such a cute style. I think that it's good for so many different people. Let me just give you a 360. One of the things that I love about this style is that I think it's just really good for a lot of different face shapes. If you are sort of a daily wear wig, this would be good. If you were working in a, more of an office setting, this would also be good. And she comes in a lot of great colors. She also comes in like the smokehouse colors, which is like your smoky rose, the chocolate smoke, which is a great color. Why I'm blanking out on the purple one, I don't really know. But any of the smokehouse, it also comes in the coffee collection, like your ice mocha, vanilla macchiato. Oh my gosh, I need a macchiato because I'm like, what's going on? It comes in all those colors too. So some of the styles are great and I love them, but it's nice that those specialty colors aren't on every style. So this is one that you can get any of the specialty colors too, so that's good. I'd say overall, the one thing, whether it's new or not, but as it wears, it can sort of fall a little bit straighter and it has a little bit of the wave. So I like to use the sea salt spray by Estetica, and I'm going to show you like how you can easily just zhuzh this up. So you spray this and then you do like a little scrunchy. It also smells amazing. You do like a little scrunchy thing. So even though this is non-heat safe, like you don't really need heat to zhuzh this up a little bit, bring it a little bit to life, give it a little bit more texture, give it a little bit more wave. You just work this in here, sort of scrunch it in, and it'll need to dry and things like that. And you kind of just work it in by scrunching away. You can see it's going to give it just a little bit more zhuzh. And then of course it does need to dry to give the full effect. But you can kind of see how it's like sort of flat and straight, which I like this. I actually like this, but some people, they want a little bit more pizzazz. And this is non-heat safe, so you don't have to worry about it like putting heat on things. If you're gonna get anything out of this video, it's that you don't always have to put heat on things. Heat safe or not, you don't always have to put heat on things to sort of get the look you want from a synthetic wig. I feel like products like this and water are like your best friend. And I always suggest try those things first before you start adding heat. Like there's the Rene Paris flat iron that really you can use for non-heat safe synthetics, which is great. But I feel like try the other things first before you start doing the most. There's wonderful products on the market that I absolutely love. Now you can already see that it's doing a little something there. So at any rate, this is a style I actually really love and just wanted to remind you of Mellow. I'm in love with Ocean, and this is one of the styles, like I didn't try it for so long. I was just like, man, I won't like it. I actually really, really like it. I feel like this would be a good wig. So I've been doing this thing where I've been using a clip-on ponytail with a short wig, where I would essentially just like twist this up and then clip the ponytail on there so it looks like this, like, you know, I have a slick back pony. It's one of the things I've been loving doing. Actually, I'm going to set this out because that's what I've been doing a lot and I love it. And this is a perfect candidate for that. I don't have one right here. The one I've been using is at home. Yeah, you can see, look at how it's already starting to take a little bit of a shape with this. So you see I didn't use a ton. This is the Estetica sea salt spray. You can use it with any of your wigs, but in general it's an Estetica product. This is an Estetica wig, so I just wanted to show you. So down below, tell me, have you tried Mellow before? If so, what are the things you like about this wig? What colors do you love the most? And yeah, do you want me to continue to do, I'm gonna continue to do them, but what wigs do you think would be nice to like remind people of, especially if, you know, I say remind people of, but everybody enters the wig journey at a different time. And I think like my first name brand wig was Rene Paris's Lane, which is a beloved style. It's not a new style. And so some of the benefits of getting a style that's a little bit older is there's a lot more content on it because it's not like brand new. People have actually worn it and can say like this, that. There can be styling tutorials. And, you know, they tend to be a little bit lower priced, right? So when you're first dipping your toe in, trying a style that's like tried, true, beloved, that's not the, you know, brand new style off the market might be a good idea. And it's probably pretty appealing to some new wig wearers. This may be something that is older to me, but you may be just entering the field and be like, oh, this is amazing and it's a great price point. And yeah, there's so much content on it. You can see different styling, tips, tricks. People have actually like worn it for a while so they can say, hey, it will last this long or what have you. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do with this video, is just kind of show you the product, remind you of this particular style. If you love this style, let me know down below. Colors, thoughts. If you've worn it a lot, how does it wear? Let's educate each other in the comments. Is this a style like it was for me, where you kind of overlooked it for a long time, and then when you tried it, you're like, why did I not try that way sooner? You can purchase this on my website, tmwigs.com, as well as the Estetica sea salt spray, and I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!